Hello guys, you all are welcome to my YouTube channel Thunder Gyan, and in this video, this is the part 2 of Unity beginner tutorial. So let's start. So first of all, what you need to do, what we made was the scene and sample scene. Okay, so I just told you the basics. Actually, let me delete this scene first. I have just made it. Yeah. So first of all, create a new scene, or you can just delete the objects, but just create and delete that scene and name it game. Double click on it, don't save. Yeah, first of all, left click here, 3D object and cube, and create another 3D object named plane. And first of all, after that you need to make it here. Actually, this here is okay. And as I told you, you need how to change the scale. So just change it like make it something like 20. We will make a game like Subway Surfer, you can say, not like exactly, just some basics. Okay, so now I will tell you how to create colors. So make a folder materials, click wait a minute, I will just delete these. Yeah, create a folder named colors or materials, and then double click, left click, create material and name it clear, and double click on it, and we will make it bright red, and just click on it, drag it to this. And if you left click here, and if you click on here, double click, and if you change this, the player's color will also change. You can change to any color and create another material, name it ground, double click and change whichever color you want. I will change it to green. Wait a minute. Yeah, and I will just apply it, and now let's see some physics. When we play, actually nothing happens, and we have not set the camera also. So take the main camera, set it behind it, but you can see it's looking on the other side actually. So just you need to, as I have told you, you need to use the rotator tool, but I think it's not good. It's not a good view, so make the view as you want. I'll just make it straight. Yeah, it's fine for me. And yeah, now if we click play, our player is looking nice. Everything is looking nice. So if we now want, no, it's actually okay, but if we do it above and click play, like many games have landing and starting also, but it doesn't land from the up actually. So to do that, first of all, go to add component and write brigade body, and if you click on it and take use gravity, and when you click play, you will see it is falling down like many games. And first of all, we will change its name to player. Give the tag player, actually it's not important, but yeah, player. And to play, you just need to, if you want, you can give and give it the name ground. Now it's okay, it's applying physics, everything. So this is my effort to make my video small, but yeah, so that was it for this video. Like, subscribe and do everything, share also. That was it for this video. We will meet in the next part.